Vestina, Imana iri kukubwira binyuze mu ijambo ryayo.
Vestin, God is talking you through his words.
Gandukira umugabo wawe nkuko ubikorera Kristo.
Submit to your husband as you submit to Christ.
Mu yandi magambo,
In other words,
Idris ni ugiye kuba Kristo mbere yuko ubaha Kristo.
Idris is going to be Christ before you submit to Christ.
Dufite ikibazo gikomeye.
We have a very big problem.
Igihe kameme nababwiye ko ndi pasiteri nimbivuga mwumva impamvu ndi kubivuga.
I told you I'm a pastor. Please
Hano
listen
nabonye
to
abandi
what I
bakozi
say.
b'Imana ndibaza bari bubyumve.
I also saw other men of God
Dufite
here.
ikibazo cy'abadamu muri Kigali.
We have a problem of rising
Basigaye
Kigali
bumvira abapasiteri kuruta abagabo babo.
who listen more to their pastors than their husbands.
Badamu ko mutangiye kurangara mu ndebe.
Please look at
Mwebwe
me,
mwaje
wives.
mugora mu ndebe.
Look at me. I'm talking to
Dufite
you.
ikibazo
We have a problem
cy'abadamu.
of women.
Iyo pasiteri aje kugusura,
When the pastor comes visit you,
itazifu nk'Imana
it's
yagusuye.
as if it's God who is
Ni
visiting
bibi
you.
oya ntago ari byiza munyumve neza.
Listen to me.
N'abadukurikiye online ndabizi bya social media munyumve neza ntago ari bibi.
Even people who are following me on
Ariko
social media,
nimba
listen
ushobora
to me.
kunkorera ibintu ngewe nze kugusura utakorera umugabo wawe, something is wrong.
But if you can do things to me who is visiting you and you cannot do that to your husband, something is
Niyo mpamvu
wrong.
abagabo banyu benshi badakizwa.
That's why many of your husbands
Muzi
are
impamvu
not
badakizwa?
saved. Do you know why they are not
Nuko
saved?
ni mwebwe mwakagombye kuberera imbuto.
Because you are the one who are
Ariko
supposed to
pasiteri
bear
wawe
fruit.
wamuhinduye Imana.
But you have transformed your pastor into
Umugabo
God.
aravuga ati no pasiteri yambwiye ibi.
Your husband said you're like,
Ni
no,
gute
pastor
pasiteri
said.
yinjira mu rushako rwanyu muri babiri?
How can the pastor enter into
Kandi
marriage?
mujya guhura mutari muri kumwe.
And when you met, he was not around.
Ndabizi abantu b'iki gihe ntago mugikunda ukuri.
I know people of nowadays, you don't like the truth.
Vestin, I'm your pastor.
The pastor
But
wawe.
he is your first pastor.
Ariko niwe pastor wawe wa mbere.
Niwe ugomba kumva.
He is the one you have to listen first.
Ongera ugarura ikintu muri societe tubona abakobwa bazi kugandukira abagabo babo.
Please show the society that it is very possible
Uyu
to
munsi
submit to
dufite
your husband.
ikibazo umugabo aravuga n'umugore nawe akavuga.
Nowadays, the husband saying the wife also speak back.
Ntago tubyanze.
We are not against
Ariko
that.
uburyo bikorwamo.
But the way it
Ntago
happens,
tubikora mu buryo bwa submission, mu buryo bwo kuganduka.
we don't do that in the way of submission.
Tubikora mu buryo harimo pride nyinshi.
We do that with too much pride.
Vestin,
Vesti,
he is your first pastor.
niwe pastor
You
wawe
need
wa
to
mbere.
submit to him.
Ugomba kumugandukira.
Before you cook to him,
Mbere yuko umutekera,
submit first of all.
banza
Submission
umugandukira.
is icyo bivuga.
Do you know what submission is?
Vision yawe
Your
shyira kuri
vision,
we.
put it on him.
Umuhamagara Imana yaguhaye shyira kuri we.
Put your calling on him.
Icyo ufite cyose muri wowe ugomba kugikoresha uca bugufi ugandukira umugabo Imana iguhaye.
Whatever you have to use it by submitting to
Iyi
your
ni Bibiliya
husband.
bivuze ntago ari Jackson
It is
bivuze.
the